Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about V-Ray 5 beta version and what is a man option were included in this version. I will tell you about the all things and how to use V-Ray mix lighting mix and how to control means how to control light cache systems like Caddy Tree is very new option in this system, and the light cache presets is very new option in this version. So you have first you have to install this version. If you don't know how to install, you can click on I button in this video and you can watch the complete video how to install and how to download this version free, right? So we will discuss about the lighting system. So first of all, you can see here my lighting setup and my modeling, and the camera setup is ready here. And today so we are going to discuss about the lightness, right? So first of all, we have to render our scene. Like that, you can see my scene is ready for render. There is two lights, right, and video lights, and there is one light is here, the color is actually like that, and the one spare light is here. And you can see here this is a background of our um, for product more rendering, like, and you can see my camera is here, and now you can see my settings of my camera, right? There is no I use none of use at the depth of field and motion blur, not exposure and blending effect. Like, I will press here C for camera view, right? You can see here, and I will go to render and render setup, right? And after it will show, come on, render setup. After render setup, I will discuss about the size, and I will resize it by 120 to 80 in 720, right? You can see the our frame buffer and the frame window is looking like that. And after that, I will use here render element. I remove all the elements, right? Yeah, I will remove all the elements, and I will just here import, just I will add here just one element which is very new in this system, right? I will use a video lightness. And what is this actually? I will tell you in render time, right? Video mix, and you can see the other setting is like it will save there, and like that, the simple setting, right? I will save one and put here 4 for fast render, right? You can see here this, you can see here this, like color mapping, camera, motion blur, GI globe illumination, and systematic and current preset against map, and every preset 800. And then preset option is not animation. If you want to render animation, like you want to frame 200 frame for 200 frame render for camera mapping, so you have to use here animation. If you want to just one frame, so you have to use here still. I will use still here because I will render just one frame. And at Caddy Tree, you don't change into hash map, just Caddy Tree is good for you. Right now we will render here. Now he is compiling geometry, and it will start here building cache very soon, right? Building light cache. And now I will tell you what is actually option of light mix which is included in this video version. And before include in this version, it was available in Corona render, right? So I will tell you, just it's come into onto V-Ray. Sorry, it will come onto render image. I will tell you about the system and pass through. Now you can see the our render comes to render image. Now I will tell you about the light mix, and we will click on source RGB, right, and we will click on light mix, right. Now you can see the all lights are showing here which we use in our scene. I will click on, I will uncheck all, right. I will first of all I will just on one light, right. This is our just one light which is come from here. Now you can see the shadow are coming here and going to there, and light from comes here, and I will, yes, I change the color of lights, it will change, right. It means you can control the light intensity, you can control light values, you can control light colors on the render time, on real time. Actually this is very good option in this video, right. So I will just here little bit warm like it, you know. Okay, I will click OK. I will on light number 2 which is coming from here. I will color change, or we can say I can increase the light from here, right. And as I will open the light number 3, I think which is spare light, I think which is spare, or we can say which is top of our scene uh, light, and we will change the color. I think this is a light which is on our scene, but and I will just little bit shade about red. Okay, and I will number 4 light will check here, I think which is sphere light, and I will can, now we can change here color multiple times, and it will control here on render time, right. If I will use here like yellow, it will use here yellow, and not yellow here, I will use here yellow, right. You can see here this light, I think the check of spherical and invisible unchecked in this light, and you can see the environment which is not I used here, and self illumination, this here is not self illumination, right. You can see there is very noise, so we can control the noise by the render element, but I forget to check the denoiser. If I use here denoiser, it will remove all the noise which is included in this version. Thank you. If you like this video, so share with friends and subscribe this series. Thank you.